In this video, you are going to learn how to create various activities by using this application Educandy. The first step is to sign in, and once you sign in, you get this page. You will be able to see the different types of activities that you can create. Educandy makes you to create various activities by just providing required vocabulary and questions and answers. Once you provide them, the application would convert that activity into a game, and students will find it very interesting to play the game. Now, let us see what type of activities that we can create. When you click on word, you get these three types of activities: word search, hangman, and anagrams. When you click on matching pairs, you get these four different types of activities. When you click on this, you get a multiple choice. We are going to now see how we can create an activity with words. You need to give a name for this activity, and you need to select the subject and click create. For preparing this activity, we need to provide a minimum of 3 words or 3 questions and answers. So we are going to now provide 3 words. So once you provide those activities, words, you will be able to see the different types of activities that you can play. Since we have selected anagram, let us see how we can play this game, or how we can make our students play this game. Since it's a gamification tool, it has all the features. For example, whenever you start an activity or a game, you will get the score here. You will get the score here. You will also find the time that you take to complete this particular game. See, once you complete the game, you get this message that you have successfully completed the game. Now, for you to share this activity, you need to click on My Activities. Select the activity which you want to share. Click on Share, and you will be able to see the URL here. You also get the code here, and you also get the URL for you to embed. You can either copy this and send it to your student's email ID, or you can embed this in the whiteboard or in the Google Classroom that you use for your classes. So this is how we create various activities and share them with the students. I hope you have understood the method of creating an activity and sharing the activities with the students. Thank you.